Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automatically save Facebook Messenger photos and videos on iPhone and Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook Messenger app on your device. Once you're in, direct your attention to the lower right corner of your screen where you'll see a menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account options and settings. After tapping the menu icon, you'll be presented with a list of different options. From this list, locate and tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Messenger app, including privacy controls, notification preferences, and media settings. Once you're inside the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the Preferences section. This section contains various options that control how Messenger behaves and handles your content. Take a moment to locate it, as this is where you'll make the changes needed for automatic saving. Inside the Preferences section, look for an option labeled Photos and Media. This is the specific setting that controls how Messenger handles images and videos that you send or receive. Tap on it to open up the media management options. Now, you'll see several options related to how photos and videos are handled within Messenger. Look for the setting called Save on Capture. This is the key feature that determines whether your photos and videos are automatically saved to your device's gallery whenever you take or share them through Messenger. Right beside the Save on Capture option, you'll notice a toggle button. Simply tap on this toggle to turn it on. When the toggle is activated, it means that from now on, any photo or video you capture directly within Messenger or share through the app will automatically be saved to your phone's camera roll or gallery. This is incredibly useful because it ensures you never lose important moments or media files that you share through conversations. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automatic saving for Facebook Messenger photos and videos. Now, every time you share media through Messenger, a copy will be automatically saved to your device, giving you peace of mind that your memories and important files are safely stored in your gallery. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.